White tea is made from the Camellia sinensis plant. Its leaves and buds are picked just before they are fully open, when they're covered in fine white hairs. This is where white tea gets its name. Green tea and black tea are also made from the Camellia sinensis plant. However, different processing methods give them their unique flavors and aromas. White tea is the least processed of the three teas. Because of this, it retains a high amount of antioxidants. This is thought to be one reason why studies have linked white tea with many health benefits. For example, it may help reduce the risk of heart disease, combat skin aging and even help with weight loss. In this article, we have the lists of 6 benefits of drinking white tea. But before we get started, be sure to click the like and subscribe button for you to be updated on my next video. 1. It's rich in antioxidants. White tea is loaded with a type of polyphenols called catechins. Polyphenols are plant-based molecules that act as antioxidants inside the body. Antioxidants protect the cells from damage by compounds called free radicals. Too much free radical damage can have harmful effects on the body. It is linked to aging, chronic inflammation, a weakened immune system and a variety of harmful diseases. Fortunately, white tea seems to be one of the best types of teas for fighting free radicals. In fact, studies suggest white tea has similar antioxidant benefits to green tea, which is known for its health benefits. A test tube study found that white tea extract can help protect animal nerve cells against damage from a free radical called hydrogen peroxide. While test tube studies are promising, more human-based research on white tea and its antioxidant benefits are needed. 2. Lowers cholesterol levels. Polyphenols like those found in white tea may help reduce the risk of heart disease in several ways. For one, several studies have found that polyphenols may help relax blood vessels and boost immunity. Other studies have found that polyphenols may prevent bad, LDL cholesterol from becoming oxidized, which is another risk factor for heart disease. In an analysis of 5 studies, scientists discovered that people who drank 3 cups or more of tea per day had a 21% lower risk of heart disease. While these results suggest white tea may help lower your risk of heart disease, it's also important to make other lifestyle changes for a healthy heart. These include eating more fruits and vegetables, exercising regularly and getting plenty of rest. 3. Helps body burns fat and boost metabolism. Because white tea is not oxidized like black tea, it retains a high concentration of catechins. The catechins in white tea may increase your metabolism, according to the experts, and help you lose weight, including fat from your belly. White tea is also a source of caffeine, which is thought to play a role in helping promote weight loss. 4. Deactivates the viruses and destroy the bacteria that causes cavities in teeth. White tea is a great source of fluoride, catechins and tannins. This combination of molecules could help strengthen teeth by fighting bacteria and sugar. Fluoride can help prevent dental cavities by making the surface of teeth more resistant to acid attacks by bacteria in combination with sugar. Catechins are plant antioxidants that are abundant in white tea. They've been shown to inhibit the growth of plaque bacteria. Tannins are another type of polyphenol in white tea. Studies show that the combination of tannins and fluoride could also inhibit the growth of plaque-causing bacteria. 5. Reduce risk of cancer. Cancer is the second most common cause of death in the United States. Several test tube studies have found that white tea may have anti-cancer effects. In one test tube study, white tea extract triggered cell death in several types of lung cancers. 2 more test tube studies looked at the effects of white tea on colon cancer cells. The studies discovered that white tea extract suppressed the growth of colon cancer cells and stopped them from spreading. The antioxidants in white tea extract also protected normal cells from damage by harmful molecules. However, it's worth noting that these test tube studies used large amounts of white tea. More studies in humans are needed to understand the effects of drinking white tea on cancer. 6. Can help with the treatment of diabetes. Insulin is an incredibly important hormone. It helps move nutrients from the bloodstream into the cells to be used or stored for later. However, as a result of several factors, including high sugar consumption, some people stop responding to insulin. This is called insulin resistance. Sadly, insulin resistance is very common and is linked to many chronic health conditions, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease and metabolic syndrome. Interestingly, studies have found that polyphenols like the ones in white tea may lower your risk of insulin resistance. Animal studies have found that EGCG and other polyphenols found in white tea may enhance the effects of insulin and prevent high blood sugar levels. In an analysis of 17 studies with over 1,100 people, scientists found that the molecules inside tea may enhance the effects of insulin and prevent high blood sugar levels. While the research seems promising, more human-based studies specifically on white tea will help clarify whether it can reduce the risk of insulin resistance. White tea is not only healthy, it is also very easy to prepare. Simply add loose white tea to a pot and pour hot water over the tea leaves. Let the leaves steep for 5 to 8 minutes, then strain and serve the tea. Ideally, the water should be 170 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 to 85 degrees Celsius. Avoid using boiling water because it can ruin the delicate flavor of white tea. Instead, bring the water to a rolling boil, then let it sit for a minute or two to cool down. White tea has a subtle yet refreshing taste. It can be enjoyed both hot or as a cold brew. If you prefer a stronger tea, then you can add more dry leaves if you'd like. It's best to experiment until you create the right flavor balance for your taste preferences. You can purchase white tea leaves online or from your local health food store. Alternatively, you can purchase pre-made bags of white tea from your local grocery store. These bags can be steeped in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes and then removed, leaving you with delicious tea. Well, enjoy your cup of tea with its amazing benefits. What can you say about this video? Write your answer in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.